Here's a great way to jazz up your chicken using only a few ingredients. So into a pan, I have half an onion that I've finely sliced. We'll place our chicken on top, and these are chicken Maryland. So that's a combination of a chicken thigh and chicken leg. It's the best part of the chicken in my opinion. And then to give this a real boost of flavour, I'm going to add some chicken stock powder. Now this chicken stock powder is made with real chicken, real vegetables. It is already seasoned with salt, so we've got all the flavourings there. So we just need a little sprinkle over our chook. And then I'll add some water. Now I don't want the water to go on the chicken skin because I need the chicken stock powder to do two things. It's not only going to form a sauce in the pan, but it's also going to develop a beautiful crust for our chicken. So I'm not going to cook this on the stovetop. This goes into the oven around 180 degrees, 200 degrees, and I'll cook this for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is a deep golden colour and cooked through. Chicken has come out of the oven. You can see how crispy the skin is. It's flavoured, and double whammy, we've got a beautiful onion gravy here. That is all done with 3 ingredients. How good's that?